Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to our box of the month inspiration hop for August. I'm so glad you're here. We're hopping along. Use the hashtag N2S What's Cooking. It'll bring up all the videos in the hop. Hop to each video, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Come back to the Rafflecopter link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. We have a brand new box design for our box of the month. It is just so beautiful. I'm so in love. On the side here, you're gonna see it says, follow us on social media, share a photo of your box, and tag us. There's a QR code. If you scan the QR code, it'll take you to my link tree. And I have a link up there for a box photo contest. So snap a picture of you and your box and post it on social media. Let us know what you love about the box of the month. And then you can link up your photo with our Linky Party. It's on the blog. So when you get your box, scan this and it'll take you to the blog post where you can link up your photo. So fun contest. I'm going to be giving away a $99 value mystery box to one winner. The contest is going to run for 3 months. So super excited. Can't wait to see your pictures. So let's go ahead and open the box. So when you open the box, this QR code takes you straight to the website. So you can just scan it. It'll take you straight there. You don't have to type in the website. And then on the inside, it says, let's get crafty. So for your box of the month, you're getting 3 4x6 stamp sets. Beautiful stamp sets. We have a baking theme or a cooking theme this month. We have limited spots available this month, and I'm doing an early bird bonus. So if you sign up by August 2nd at 11:59 p.m. Central Time, I will include an early bird bonus if you subscribe to the box of the month or the junior box. You'll be getting a full pack of our glitter enamel dots with your box. So the stamp set here is called Live, Love, Bake. And then we've got Bake Me Happy. And then we've got Baker's Gonna Bake. So these are beautiful stamp sets. If you go back to the sneak peeks, we go into detail on each one of these products, make a card or project with them. And so if you want to go back and get inspired, you'll see some more projects along this hop. The first paper collection is Cooking with Love, and this will be in the junior box and in the larger box. The stamp sets that are in the junior box are the Baker's Gonna Bake and the Bake Me Happy stamp set. So this is what you'll get in your junior box, plus your little goodie. And then the other collection that you'll be getting in the larger box is the Happiness is Homemade collection. Really beautiful collections. I'm going to share the projects that I did with these collections. So on the first live stream, I made these really nice gift bags. They're like store quality, but they're made from your 6x6 paper pads. They fold up so you could store them away. I followed Cindy Vernon's tutorial on her channel. She is part of our design team, so if you want to check out her channel, she is Cindy Creating with the Heart. So I made a cute tag to go along with this one. So this is a really, really nice project to do. So those two were made with both collections. And then these little gift boxes here are made with the Happiness is Homemade collection. And these are little treat bags that you can like put chocolate in. I thought they were perfect for this collection because it does feature these truffles in the collection. So really, really had a lot of fun with this. This twine is the Doodlebug mint twine that's in the shop. The mint twine and the coral twine match perfectly to this paper pad collection. Now the dies are available for the stamp sets on the website. So I do have the dies available for separate purchase. They do not come in the box. You'll have to purchase them on the website, and there are limited quantities on the dies. So on the dies, they will cut out the sentiments for the stamp sets. For the stamp set, Baker's Gonna Bake, it will cut out this image here and the cupcake. These sentiments are made to be stamped inside this image. And here's 3 more cards that I made. So you could see how I did all of these cards. This card I made with my YouTube members only. If you wanted to join my YouTube channel members, the link is in the description box, or you could press that join button that's next to the subscribe button. Here's another card using that stamp sets. And there I just stamped out the sentiment right in the center of this image. And here's another version. Super, super cute. We have a couple of items that you can purchase on the website. We have a brand new slimline paper pad, measures 3.5 by 8.5. Goes with the whole baking theme. It's called Baker's Dozen. It's got some cherries in here, some gingham, a really pretty green color, some cupcakes, faux glitter, more gingham, really pretty patterns in here. This pattern has spatulas and spoons and a whisk. Just a really cute paper pad, double-sided, and also a cupcake shaker die designed by Stacy Tiedemann. And we've got a sentiment in here that says, hooray. There's your shaker piece, so don't cut that one apart. That will create your little shaker piece. We've got the little muffin, and then we've got the topping. We've got some hearts, a balloon, a little banner, and the wrapper. So here's an example of the card, and I'll have a video up tomorrow putting this together so you get an idea on how to put it together. So really cute. Just added some little shaker glitter in there. And this paper, I did use the Gingerbread House paper pad. And those 2 gingerbread paper pads will be back in stock later in the month. So there's a sample on the back showing all your parts and how to put the cupcake together. For the stamp and die of the month and the paper pad club, we have a Sweet Life and Fall Gingham. So we've got some fall colors that go perfectly with the Sweet Life paper pad. I've created 2 cards using both paper pads. They turned out super cute. There's some beautiful cutouts in the paper pad. So beautiful, rich colors, perfect for fall or going into fall. So really, really nice for this time of season. There are your cutouts. You get a couple of sentiments in there. Just gorgeous papers. And then the fall gingham. And I've used some of this paper pad. Just look at the beautiful, rich colors. And then here are the 2 cards. Let me bring them in for a closer look. Let's see, I didn't decorate the inside yet, but I popped up my 2 images and used the sentiment from the cutouts. And here's the other one. love how those turned out. The Stamp and Die of the month goes nicely with the paper pad. This one is called From Our Kitchen. We've got some mason jars, and some are filled with fruits, and some you can just fill them with whatever you want, color in, whatever you want, paper piece them. Just use your imagination. The sentiments read, "You fill me with happiness, from our kitchen to yours, and from the kitchen of." We've got a loose blueberry, so you can stamp out the blueberry in the jar. We've got some hearts if you wanted to fill up the jar with some hearts. And we've got a couple of canning spoons. And then the die will cut out all the images and the sentiments. So we did open up some spots for our stamp of the month, but our Stamp and Die of the month, there's very limited spots. That's going to sell out really quickly. So if this sells out and you want to be on the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, I'll have a waiting list in the description box where you can join the wait list for next month. That way you can jump on it and get yourself a spot. So I hope you guys enjoy the hop and get lots of inspiration along the way. Don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Happy hopping, guys, and happy shopping. Thanks so much for your support, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.